Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 1, your educational experience 1,150 to 1,400 words, 140 points. Okay, let's survey this assignment. We have the image of the student coming out of the plane and dropping into the school, which I thought was pretty nifty. It relates to education, after all, and your educational experience. Okay, scrolling down, we have 3 links, a discussion rubric, the overview to this assignment, and the assignment purpose. The discussion rubric is how I evaluate your work for this assignment. You'll want to click on this rubric and become familiar with how I evaluate your work so you can go for a top grade. The overview to this assignment and the assignment purpose, I will ask you to click on and read on your own. Okay, so you also have a Part 1, 20 points, due by 11:59 p.m. on Friday of Week 1, and it relates to Chapter 1, Exercise 1 in our textbook, and I am going to go ahead and click on this link, showing you that you have Chapter 1 available to you, learning what an essay is, if you have not yet purchased the textbook. Okay, so you'll want to read this chapter very, very carefully and read the description of each paragraph in the sidebar. Okay, I'm going to return to this assignment here. We have Part 2, the 100 points due by 11:59 p.m. on Friday of Week 1, and this is where you will write an essay. And you'll need to include a map paragraph and at least one-sentence transition paragraph, which are modeled in Exercise 1, Chapter 1, right here in this link. And they're also available in the Chapter 3 essays. And you'll need to run a spell grammar check and proofread what you write carefully. Okay? If there are easily avoidable errors in this writing, then points will be deducted, or I may return your assignment to you ungraded. Click here to review easily avoidable errors, and I'm going to click here and show you the easily avoidable errors, which you'll want to review. Okay, I'm going to go back into our assignment, and we have Part 3, 20 points due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday of Week 1, and these are peer evaluations, and they're described in Steps 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'm going to scroll back up to our student parachuting into the school, and I'm going to remind you that I'm here in Inbox if you need me to clarify this assignment, you have suggestions for me how to clarify it, or you just want to chat about this assignment. I'm here. You're never ever bothering me. I love to hear from you, and you're never emailing me too much. If something isn't clear, you need to teach me how to make it clear, and we'll collaborate together. Okay. Let's have fun with this assignment.